Good morning. We're going to be in lesson 14. I am actually starting in exercise 5. The reason being is that this lesson is going to be a lot quicker now that you know those skills from yesterday. The cheat sheet is located right above this video just in case you need it if you don't have these steps memorized. The first step in finding IQR is ordering the numbers least to greatest. Least to greatest. Second step, find the median. I have already done that for you, and that is number 5. Find the median. Step number 3 is to find the median of the lower numbers. Now, typically these numbers are going to be an even number, so you're going to end up with 2 numbers at the end. Remember, when you end up with 2 numbers at the end, you need to add them up and divide by 2. Then the upper quartile, or Q3, is the upper half. You need to find the median of that. I want you to find the lower half median and the upper half median. If you need to, go back to yesterday's video if you're struggling with how to find the median of just this lower and upper half. Following that, I want you to calculate the IQR, which is taking the Q3 number and subtracting the Q1 number from the Q3 number. So Q3 minus Q1. Go ahead and do that now. Now I'm going to fast forward past this entire page, and I'm going to be looking at this example, I guess. Example 2. So in this, I'm not going to actually plot the dots. I mean, I guess I could if I wanted to. So I could do 20, 21, 25, 31, 35, 38, 40, 42, 44. Okay, plotted all those dots. First step in finding IQR is ordering least to greatest. Done already for me. Second step, find the median. Median is 35. I've already marked it. My first line that I make on a box and whisker plot is my median. First line. My second step that I'm going to do is I need to find the median of my lower half. That is my Q1. Q1. So if I'm going through, oh wait, I have 2 numbers left. So I need to add them together, and then I need to divide by 2. Adding 21 plus 25, that gets me 46. And then I'm going to divide it by 2, which will get me 23. So my Q1 is 23, and this brings me to my second line of my box and whisker plot. My 23 is going to be right about there. So right now we have Q2, or the median. We have Q1. And now we're going to calculate Q3. Again, same thing, cross off, cross off. Oh no, I'm stuck with 2 numbers left. I need to find the mean of them. So I'm going to take 40 plus 42, which equals 82. And then I'm going to divide it by 2, which is 41. Again, I'm going to make that tick mark as close to it as I can. My line. This is Q3. Now, because we know that the difference, or IQR is the difference between Q3 and Q1, we make the box of IQR. This box is my IQR. It is my IQR. Lastly, it wants to know my minimum and my maximum. I draw a line to that. So my minimum number was 20, so I'm going to draw a line to that 20. And then I'm going to write it down, 20. My maximum was 44. I'm going to draw a line to my 44. And then I'm going to write that in. I also want you to calculate IQR. I also would like you to calculate IQR. So that means I'm taking Q3 and subtracting Q1 from it. Go ahead and do that now. For your homework, I want you to do all of 1 and all of 2. You do not need to do 3 or 4, and I believe that brings us then to our next lesson. So do 1 and 2, do not do 3 or 4. Go ahead and get started. Oh, also, after you get it checked, do your exit ticket. Then you can get started on your homework. All right, guys, go ahead.